How's it going, Preston Outdoors fans? Welcome back to another video. We got an exciting video, as you can see from the title here. We are heading over to Minnesota. I think it's gonna be a great time. We're meeting up with Connor from CC Outdoors and Ben from BenOutdoors. Check both those guys out on Instagram, TikTok, all that stuff. Ben and Connor were nice enough to invite me over to go fishing with them. I think they went fishing together a few weeks ago and absolutely got on a great bite of largemouth. I don't know if it's going to be the same way here or not, just simply because it's probably 3 to 4 weeks later since they were over there fishing together. But we'll get there and see if we can't catch some fish. Come along for the ride.
Yeah, dude, we should have came out. We should have just slept in the ice castle last night. What the heck?
I probably would have if that spot didn't suck so bad this year.
Giant.
I am not going to hold you very long today.
Is that old guy stuck? Oh, freaking A.
You all know everything I'm about to tell you. But
At me. Big old perch. No wonder.
Freaking giant.
Giant perch. It was even filming. Let's go. First fish of the day. Oh, flag's up. He's literally watching it the whole time.
That's some weight to her.
7 pound.
Yeah, dude.
Here it is.
Ooh, yeah. Pike.
No, big bass. Big bass.
Let's hope, dude. I don't know. It doesn't feel like a pike the way it's
A
fighting,
pike would have ran. I thought a pike would have, unless he's really
definitely
big.
has a lot of weight to it, though.
Unless he's like a giant pike and he's like, yeah, I own this water kind of thing. Did you see it?
It's got to be a pike. It's got to be a pike.
One sec, he's still fighting it.
I might need. Oh yeah, it's a nice pike. It's a nice pike, boys.
His name's Ben.
It's a really nice pike.
It's kind of a big deal.
I might need one of you to grab him.
Kind of a big deal.
You're gonna grab him?
yeah, this is Connor showing fish one day. Other Connor's actually fishing.
Yeah, Connor's in class right now.
Connor's in school. Connor's in school.
Where's the
Oh god, get off the ice.
laps here? Anyways, we'll see if they can catch it and get that thing in. But,
He's hooked right in the corner, so we gotta get his nose to come up.
it's out there. I don't know by the end of the day. I'll give you till what's the actual end of the day? 3:12.
It's a fatty.
Hey, look at the gut on that
I'll
thing.
take that.
Yes, sir.
See you later.
So he's like, well, I hate on these things so much.
Oh! Oh, you're so fast!
Nice.
Oh, nice! No, leave it down. It's better for the video.
Ben, oh, you don't have your rod.
Ben, the flag's up. There you go.
Actually, I'll try to look. That other flag is look over.
It's a pike that I just released.
Oh, fingers are getting cold.
Yeah. Hello.
Oh, easy now. I don't want to have to fight you.
God, I got cold fingers. I don't want to touch this thing anymore.
Oh, CC Outdoors doesn't want to touch a fish.
Yep.
Oh.
I'm gonna go warm up.
Yes, TikTok material.
Possibly. Maybe not too bad.
Oh.
There we go. The first bass of the day, boys.
That is so goals. Oh. Jelly. Yes, sir.
Oh, you bloody.
Let her rip.
Oh yeah.
Feel decent?
Yeah. Not doing that. That was awesome. He was just slowly taking line the whole time.
How fun is that though? Just grabbing a rod.
That you can actually set the hook in,
Yeah.
instead of just hand lining them.
Dead weight. Oh yeah, Pike. He shot. Oh man, he shot out.
That is awesome.
There we go.
Didn't even have to hesitate there.
Oh, come on now, buddy. Is that your first fish on an IFish Pro?
That is my first fish on an IFish Pro. Mega. Giant.
There we go.
That's my first fish on the IFish Pro. Not a monster pike at all, but still a lot of fun. I've got 3 small perch. They've got 2 nice pike, and I've got that dinky pike so far. So it's been pretty much a lot of action on the tip ups and minnows, which is fun to do. Really like the IFish Pro style thing because you can actually reel the fish in instead of hand lining it. That's why I kind of got away from using tip ups over the years, because hand lining it and dealing with all that's kind of crappy. And then if you put it out, it freezes. You got to hand reel it all up to put it away. But if you can just reel the rod up and go from there, it's pretty nice. So maybe we'll have to get one of those. We'll see. Try to jig something up here. I need a bass.
I had a video of just antlers getting taken down. I literally like popped the.
Oh,
You must have smacked that. You were ripping it. Little guy. Holy wow, that's tiny.
yes!
Pliers.
That's smaller than your last little tip up.
Yes!
Some action though. I'm just worried one of these guys is gonna not go up again.
Look at that. Flag.
Yeah. Good one. Dragon. P-liner. Well, that's good. Tank largemouth.
He needs to cut his thing down so it doesn't lose its depth every time.
Oh, that looked like a largie.
Did it?
Oh, yep. Oh! Let's go! Dude, that's a nice fish. That is a solid largemouth right there.
Look at that.
Oh my goodness. Splash the camera a little bit.
That's what you want.
Nice fish. Nice fish.
Finally got a nice fish, nice bass. Got to meet Jagtooth Tackle and ND Yak Angler out here too. Message those guys and follow those guys on social media. I got a rip and wrap down, or for on those, just minnows. So got to see those guys and meet them. It's pretty cool. They get to watch me reel that thing in. So finally got some good fish out here. That's too much fun.
miss it this time.
Yeah, slip my rod.
Give her hell. She's running.
Can't slip from my man hands on a rod.
Little one.
Yeah.
Little bass.
A
tiny little pike.
I'm addicted to that sound now that IFish Pro going off.
Yeah.
Get him off the ice, bud.
What is it?
Didn't see it. You think I can get any closer? You want me to touch your line too?
Pull on it.
Give it a nice yank.
We ain't got color yet.
I saw it once.
Oh.
Yeah, there we go.
Nice bass.
My phone's right inside the Ranger.
Look at that. Here, go over this side. The sun's messing it up. There you go.
Perfect.
There you go. Doesn't feel too big.
No, it looks small.
Would you quit? Let him just have his moment. He's been moving this tip up 65 times today.
Yeah, dude. I've been.
Every 30
I'm
seconds.
getting ornery. It's probably like a big walleye. Yeah.
Oh, guys, I set the line down 30 seconds ago. Better move it. No bites yet.
You'll just like wait.
Big
More.
Bass or a walleye then. A little bit.
Doesn't feel big, so I don't know.
Got it by the tail.
Oh,
Nice bass.
yeah, nice bass.
Oh. Come on, man hands.
There you go. There we got him.
There.
Holy, he had that thing down there.
Yeah, he did.
Tiny. Is it?
I don't know. I haven't seen him.
Get that stupid camera out of my face.
Oh, bass.
Is it? Feels decent. It better not come off. Oh, yeah, that's a good one. Get that thing away from me.
That's a nice one.
No, someone's calling me. Oh, well.
There you go.